Gente, el día de hoy les traigo una partida super épica. Estoy jugando en un Xiaomi Note 8 y es el primer PvP con este celular. Espero que les guste y revienten el botón de like. Nos vemos en un próximo video. Chao.
By when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I think my vision's getting blurry, swear the Reaper's in a hurry. Yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so damn sick of this ride. Just one off so I can feel normal for once. Fantasize about gripping the gun. And I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
Voices loud in my head, I don't want no more pain. Voices loud in my head, I don't want no more
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I've been living by myself, my parents saying find help, but therapy is kinda scary, yeah, that's what my brain repels. I've been living sedentary, driving past the cemetery, couple feet right from my house. If that's the end, then I want out. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
voices loud in my head, I don't want no more pain. Voices loud in my head, I don't want no more
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no.
If I'ma fall apart, this might part right. And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this might part right. And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. Remember when we talked on the phone, you a geek now. Every time I call, you're so low, you can speak. I miss the better days, sharing stories, they're all blurred out. Everything's a haze, talking to you really hurts now. Self-control, self-care, I keep fighting for it, takes so long. But I swear, I'ma make it for all these wrongs. Wish I could run it back, turning the time, fix the things that I broke in my mind. Keep to myself and stay close to my life. Think it's way better than open their eyes. Anxiety and full throttle, all I need is this bottle. Drink too much, feel awful. Nothing can help in this novel, colossal. But this my part right, and I don't need any more love. That's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. Don't wake me up, just let me sleep. I get your calls, just leave me be. If I'ma fall, just cut me deep. I've had enough, my arms feel weak. And it's a problem for both of us. I've been longing for better submissions, holding you, waking up. Now I'm wanting to break these love souls apart. Of the pain and cuts, all these scars that you gave me. But where to start is the hardest part. Took a shot in the fucking dark, need some new pavement. Give me some medication, find up with all your statements. Mine is way too close to breaking. Feel the position I'm shaking. What the fuck was I taking? What the fuck was I taking? I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night.
Got bad shit all up in my mind right now. Fuck it, give me a minute and I'ma let it all out. I don't give a shit about an opinion, be another dimension when I wake up, wake up, wake up. Bitch, it's time to fill the cup. Got no fucking love, I feel so stuck. All my luck, get fucked. Hey, stuck at the bottom, got roots on my feet. Never been violent, but still kill a beat. Trapped in the jungle, I'm just trying to eat. The blood from my enemies stained on my teeth. Right a motherfucker die, right up on my side. Give it the eyes and I rise like night, night. Almost had a minute to myself where I felt kinda peaceful. It went by. Surprise, gray skies, the mood you got me in. Don't you worry, in the end I'll see your fucking face again. You fucking bitch. Okay, back on topic, never gonna stop this. Didn't mean to kill him, but I didn't have an option. Hope a motherfucker don't come at me on a bad day. Little bit of hostility, yeah, I got a bad case. Sad face, you caught up in a rap race. Bet you went up with a girl from the back page. I've been in the back of a Cadillac on my rap shit. I'ma back this, I don't need a bad bitch. All I need is a bit of weed, just playing. Haven't smoked, been 6 years, just saying. Probably irrelevant, I just thought I'd tell you. Peek inside my brain, take a look at my retinas. I bet you'll see death in the treacherous weather that I'm facing daily on this never-ending endeavor. I'm on my own till forever, got pine cones on my sweater. This is me on a different street, quit my job to make history. What's the point of life without trying to find things better than right than what's left behind? Stepped up the grind like dark roast. You can keep the blonde, don't need hoes. I don't want shit from nobody, only gonna work hard till I'm somebody. I stepped right up in the front of all the basics. I just wanna fly away to pretty places. I don't even wanna be at home, I just wanna be on top of the mountains and be alone to myself. I can't hear nobody else, only maybe the wind, the trees, and a couple elks. That's what I strive for, what I'll die for. Got bad shit all up in my mind right now. Fuck it, give me a minute and I'ma let it all out. I don't give a shit about an opinion, be another dimension when I wake up, wake up, wake up. Bitch, it's time to fill the cup. Got no fucking love, I feel so stuck. All my luck, get fucked. Hey, stuck at the bottom, got roots on my feet. Never been violent, but still kill a beat. Trapped in the jungle, I'm just trying to eat. The blood from my enemies stained on my teeth. Right a motherfucker die, right up on my side. Give it the eyes and I rise like night, night. Almost had a minute to myself where I felt kinda peaceful. It went by.
told me to be honest. In my mind all the time, see the wrong shit, yeah. In my mind I see the wrong shit. In my conscience, I don't know what love is. Yeah, she told me to be honest. In my mind all the time, see the wrong shit, yeah. In my mind I see the wrong shit. In my conscience, I don't know what love is. Hop up on the plane, I'm on that new shit. I don't play no games, I really do this. Fuck up on my face, you know I'm popping too exclusive. All I can be, I know they cutting on my movement. Triple D my gang and keep it stitched like a toothpick. Want me air it out, they don't wanna smoke, no they mad as hell. Got my shawty by my side, she be bad as hell. Came a long way from the bottom, mama said she proud of. Yeah, she told me to be honest. In my mind all the time, see the wrong shit, yeah. In my mind I see the wrong shit. In my conscience, I don't know what love is. Yeah, she told me to be honest. In my mind all the time, see the wrong shit, yeah. In my mind I see the wrong shit. In my conscience, I don't know what love is. I don't know what love is. I don't know what love is. Just fine, won't get away with no more lies. Oh no, I ain't blind. She's pretty like an angel, but the devil on a pager. If I'm being honest, I can say that I hate her. I think it's time to replace her. Cause every time you come around, you're so damn toxic. Turns out everything wasn't just gossip. Saying that you changed, but I hear it too often. You still want me to. Heartless, look what you started. Left me out in the dark and I swear, driving me insane.
I know you love him, but it's over.
You think that I nag you?
That's all you do! All you do is nag me! The bathroom's a mess. Your belt doesn't match. Hey, Gary, you should probably go work out. Nothing I ever do is ever good enough. I just want to be left the hell alone.
Nothing heals the past like time. They can't steal love you're born to find. I know you love him, but it's over. Doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let him go. It'll be alright.
all over this house, dress like a pig, play your stupid ass video game. I don't care. I'm done.
Oh, you love him, but it's over, mate. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let him go. It'll be alright. Nothing heals the past like time. They can't steal the love you wanna fight. Oh, you love him, but it's over, mate. Doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let him go. It'll be alright. Nothing heals the past
I'm
like
done.
time.
I don't deserve this. I really do not deserve this. I deserve somebody who gives a shit. I'm not spending one more second of this life with some inconsiderate prick. You're a prick.
Young Ting, you going crazy.
Oh no, no. King, this shit fuego. Can't breathe in toxic skies. Pollute me with your lies. No, I thought that I'd die. Whoa, whoa. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. That date been in my mind for days. Wish I could get away. You know it isn't safe for me to be in this headspace. Drunk and I miss you unless I'm just drunk. Told me to swim, then you watched as I sunk. I can't forgive you, no, I'm not that dumb. Paranoid, I gotta run. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Once upon a time I used to hold you close. Now the only thing I'm holding